Hello, today we talk about another gentleman, orchid. In Chinese, 兰,兰花的兰. So last time we mentioned about plum blossom as being the flower of winter. So orchids, as you must have guessed, is the flower of spring. Its fragrance is like never overpowering. So it represents the nobility and humility of a human being. Let's see how this character is written. I personally love orchids because it's always beautiful and, it's easy to manage and it lasts very long. So I hope you enjoy orchids and enjoy writing this character. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you check other videos as well. See you.